If you want to reset Microsoft Edge, then there are two different ways of doing that, depending on what it is exactly you want to do. If you want to delete all of the user data associated with Edge on your PC, then there's one way of doing that. And if you instead want to delete all of the kind of customization or any settings or preferences in the browser itself, then there's also a different method for doing just that. So let's begin by doing the former. What you want to do first is ensure that Edge is closed, and then you want to bring up the run window by either searching it up in the Windows search bar, or alternatively using the shortcut Windows key and R on your keyboard. Then once the run window pops up, you want to type in appdata and then hit enter. Once you do that, it will take you to this folder right here, and you want to then select the local folder from these subfolders that you see. Then in this next folder, you want to look for Microsoft and then click on that. And next up, once you are in the Microsoft folder, you'll want to look for Edge and then click into that. Once you do that, you see a user data folder there. So what you want to do is just right click on it, and then from this context menu, select rename. And then just change its name to literally whatever you want, and then press enter to confirm. By doing this, you are going to essentially delete all of the user data associated with Microsoft Edge because you can no longer find that folder. Then, if you want to actually reset all of the permissions or settings within the Edge app itself, well, here's how you can do that. First up, what you're going to do is click on those three dots in the top right within Microsoft Edge. Once you do that, you want to then click on settings from this list of options that's going to appear. Next up on the left hand side, you want to look for reset settings and click on that. Then only a single option is going to appear in the middle, which will say restore settings to the default values. So you want to click onto that. Then a little confirmation window will pop up, which will further explain what it is that's exactly going to get reset. And once you are happy with everything, simply just confirm your choice by clicking on the reset button. And once you do that, it is going to be reset. So that's exactly how you can reset everything in Microsoft Edge, with two different methods depending on what exactly it is you want to do and want to reset in it. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.